welcome back. This is Bree with my Lavender Pages. My mail just came. I just did my hair and put my makeup on and ran and got the mail and came downstairs. Like, I don't even have my wedding ring on and I'm in a t-shirt and grungy clothes, but I wanted to open this with you. So this came in my mailbox like 45 minutes ago, I want to say. It ships from New Jersey and I'm in Salt Lake City. So this left on the 20, it was tagged on the 28th. It started shipping on the 29th and today is the 4th. So not the 29th, the 1st, March 1st. And today's the 4th. So it took about 3-4 days to get here. This is April's subscription kit. I haven't even opened it, look. I have my planners right here because I wanted kind of a more inclusive spot. Anyway, we're gonna open this. My kids are home today. My husband should be home here in half an hour. So I kind of wanted to get it done before my husband got home and we started running our errands and stuff. This is your hint of what's inside. Look how pretty that is. Last month it came in navy tissue paper. This month it's black. I saved this. So I'm going to very carefully peel this up so that I can save it. Last month I like totally destroyed the tissue paper peeling this up. But this month I think I will do pretty good. Okay, here it is. I'm going to stick it over here on my sticky note box. And we're going to package this. Packages these so nicely. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna put this tissue paper off to the side. I do save it, by the way. Save the tissue paper. Oh my goodness. I've already printed out the April calendar and put it in my brand new bullet journal, but oh my goodness. Okay, I'm so sorry for the plastic. I will try and like cut that out. So you get two. This is the full subscription kit. So you get two of the exact same vellum. Look at that. She did the kind of stained glass window one last month. I love this. It's got my favorite colors. See, my pens that my base color palette has. This kind of a blue, this kind of a green, this kind of a gold, this tan, a purple right here, and a wine red right here. Like, it's my whole color palette for 2022 in one kit. Gorgeous. Okay, these are the stickers. Again, I apologize. We're gonna pull the whole thing out. That way you guys don't have to hear the plastic. So she puts this little envelope in here. Right here. I do save the envelope. It comes with 2 April monthlies. I hope my hand's kind of crooked. I hope you guys can see that. I use one in my bullet journal and one in my weekly planner. Then it comes with a foiled sticker in the little envelope. I'll add this to my foils. No, I'll probably put this as part of my monthly planning. I love this. This is the freebie right here. Look, it's the same. Oh, so pretty. And then this is a sticker. It's a vellum sticker for the calendar. I always do a Monday start. And then her business card. And she prints this on kind of a, like a satiny feeling paper. And I could just sit here all day and just rub this. It is so pretty. I usually put these in my pocket. And you hear my kids upstairs banging on stuff. So I'm going to tuck all these back in the envelope so I don't lose them, because that would totally be me. I would lose everything. Okay, she includes a, this to me looks A6. Yes, A6 calendar printed on vellum. And then you get a deco that's just flowers, a deco that is boxes or box size, mini deco, another box size deco, minis. Okay, somebody's coming downstairs. The cool thing is that you can kind of see little tiny flower accents. She cuts these out. So these are individual stickers, and then like this is an individual, this little gold flower, here's an individual sticker, this blue one, and this gold one right here. So they're individual teeny tiny stickers that you can use to decorate your pages. I think I'll use these as my icons for my monthly. You get a whole month of days of the week. You get 2, so 1 through 31, even though April only has 30 days. 1 through 31 twice, plus little dots. So those are all the mini sheets. Oh, so pretty. Look at these fun colors. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so these are all the same size right here. Then she includes 4 big sheets. You get 2 of the large deco, and again, the little tiny flowers are individually cut stickers, and then 2 washi pages. Each washi page has 2 thick washies and 3 skinny ones. I'm so excited. This is so pretty. Wow. And that is the whole monthly kit right there. So you get plus the two pieces of vellum. Look at that. Gorgeous. I will link Sterling Ink down below. Again, this is the full subscription kit. I get it on clear matte because I like the way that looks, and I have it subscribed for every month, and I will link it down below. If you have any questions or are curious about kind of the products, you're welcome to ask me. You can ask Catherine, who is the author of this gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. And yeah, beautiful, beautiful. I can't wait to use it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys got kind of a sneak peek of what April's gonna look like, and I will talk to you later. Bye.